Goal setting and time management. Introduction. Welcome to Goal Setting and Time Management, a roadmap to success for adults. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the art of setting effective goals and mastering time management techniques to achieve success in various aspects of life. As adults, having clear goals and utilizing our time efficiently are crucial for personal and professional growth. From setting SMART goals to prioritizing tasks and overcoming procrastination, we will cover it all. So, let's embark on this journey to unlock our full potential and maximize our productivity. Setting SMART goals. Setting goals is the first step towards turning your dreams into reality. Start by defining specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Be clear about what you want to accomplish and ensure your goals are realistic and aligned with your values and long-term vision. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps to make them more manageable. Set deadlines for each step to create a sense of urgency and keep yourself accountable. Write down your goals and review them regularly to stay focused and motivated. Consider sharing your goals with a trusted friend or mentor who can provide guidance and support along the way. Prioritizing tasks. Effective time management requires the ability to prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. Start by creating a to-do list or using a productivity tool to organize your tasks. Prioritize tasks based on deadlines, importance, and impact on your goals. Identify the most critical tasks and tackle them first, focusing your energy and attention on completing them. Avoid multitasking, as it can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress. Instead, practice single tasking and give your full attention to one task at a time. Consider using time blocking techniques to allocate specific time slots for different activities, ensuring a balanced schedule. Learn to delegate tasks when possible and seek support from others to lighten your workload. Overcoming procrastination. Procrastination is a common challenge that can hinder progress towards our goals. Overcoming it requires self-awareness and adopting strategies to increase motivation and overcome distractions. Start by understanding the reasons behind your procrastination, such as fear of failure, perfectionism, or lack of interest. Break tasks into smaller, more manageable parts to make them less overwhelming. Use positive reinforcement by rewarding yourself upon completing tasks or achieving milestones. Set realistic deadlines and create a sense of accountability by sharing your progress with others. Minimize distractions by creating a conducive work environment and utilizing tools that block access to time-wasting websites or apps. Practice self-discipline and develop a habit of starting tasks promptly, even if you don't feel motivated initially. Remember, taking small steps consistently is better than waiting for the perfect moment. Adapting to change and adjusting goals. Life is dynamic, and circumstances may change along the way. It's important to be adaptable and open to adjusting your goals as needed. Regularly assess your progress and evaluate if your goals are still relevant and aligned with your current aspirations. Be flexible and willing to modify your plans when necessary, considering new opportunities or challenges that arise. Embrace a growth mindset and view setbacks or changes as learning experiences rather than failures. Seek feedback from others and learn from their expertise and perspectives. Remember, the ability to adapt and adjust goals is a strength that allows you to stay focused on what truly matters. Conclusion. Congratulations on embarking on the journey of goal setting and time management. By incorporating the principles outlined in this guide, you are well on your way to achieving success and maximizing your productivity. Remember to set SMART goals, prioritize tasks, overcome procrastination, and adapt to change along the way. With effective goal setting and efficient time management, you have the power to transform your aspirations into reality. Now, take charge of your time, stay committed to your goals, and enjoy the fulfillment and achievements that await you.